From our manufacturing facility in North Yorkshire. Crushing and Screening Ltd supply quality bulk bagging machines to the United Kingdom, Ireland and Europe. This robust bulk bag filling machine is designed to work with a variety of products, including abrasive materials. Delivered on an agreed and pre-scheduled date for installation by our expert site commissioning team. Our bulk bagging machines can be installed and producing 1-ton bags in under 4 hours onto your pre-installed base and power supply. We carry a range of optional extras and offer a bespoke design service for customers that require custom accessories. A large capacity circa 15-ton hopper with an optional heavy-duty high-density polyethylene liner for improved material flow, wear resistance and noise reduction is a popular addition. Aggregate materials are fed onto the conveyor belt and into the IBC bag reliably and speedily. Suitable for all aggregates, wood pellets, compost, bark, rock salt, coal and many other products. Bag fill is controlled automatically via load cells and control panel. A simple button press loads the preset amount. The operator places a standard 4-looped or sleeved IBC bag onto the bag holder, then initiates the filling process by the start button. An integrated weighing system will automatically stop the unit once the bag reaches the desired weight or volume. The filled IBC bag is then removed with a forklift and the process repeated. This machine is capable of filling a bag in 10 to 20 seconds depending on material bulk density. Please call 004 418 455 288 or email sales@crushingandscreening.co.uk to discuss your requirements.